Here I am at Mowbray in Dumfries, the National Centre for Children's Literature and Storytelling. Come away in and get nice and cosy. Sit by the fire and I'll tell you a story. And the story is Yum by Susi Briggs. It was a warm sunny day and wee Jenny went out to play. In the garden she had her lunch, a cheese and lettuce piece to munch. She was just about to drink her juice when up popped a hungry moose. Moose says, "What's in your piece? Is that cheese? If it is, can I have some, please?" Jenny broke a bit off and gave her some. Moose nibbled and nibbled. Yum, yum, yum. In the sky flew big black craw. She landed on the garden wall. Craw says, "A piece! I love bread. Please can I have a bit? That would be good." Jenny broke a bit off and made some crumbs. Craw pecked and pecked. Yum, yum, yum. Down on the grun, hairy Ubbot crawled by. He spied lettuce in the piece, then let out a sigh. He sighed, "Oh, I love lettuce, tasty and green. Yon's the crispiest lettuce I've ever seen." Jenny tore a bit off and gave him some. Hairy Ubbot crunched and crunched. Yum, yum, yum. Jenny sat with her friends under the tree. All were eating happily. It's good to go outside and play. It's good to share what you hae. It's good to fill up your tum. Nibble, peck, munch, crunch, yum, yum, yum.